Hello guys, welcome to my channel Passion of Life. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a simple chapati at home, and this is a basic thing that I'm gonna teach you. So let's start to make Asian's traditional chapati. And first of all, I'm gonna show you that what we need to make our simple chapati. So here we have one bowl of wheat flour and one glass of water, and of course we need one empty plate for make our dough, and we need also extra wheat flour for dust up our dough um, for preparing our chapati, and one rolling pin, rolling board, spatula to make some pressure on the chapati, or also you can use this should be cotton cloth, but I don't like clothes, so I use my kitchen towel, and also of course one plate for serving chapati when we will cook our chapati. So we also need a saucepan, or you can say cast iron plate, or griddle. Griddle means tawa, we call in Asian language, and but I don't have griddle, so I'm gonna use saucepan. So let's start. We will pour all wheat flour in empty plate. I'm gonna use water on it, and make sure that you don't wet your all flour. Gradually you have to put water in the flour. If you will put all water once a time, your flour will become watery, so be careful. So we have to make our dough first. So you are looking that how I am making dough. Your dough should be smooth and soft, so then you have a good chapati. Guys, I didn't put anything like salt or oil, but if you want to put salt or oil or anything else, you can put it. But this is a simple chapati, so that's why I didn't put nothing. So I'm making it simple. And you can see I'm not using all water. I'm using water very gradually. So almost our dough is going to be ready. Now we're gonna leave it for 15 minutes. So I will come back after 15 minutes. 15 minutes are complete. Now we are going to start to make our chapati. So first of all we will on our stove. I put it on it. Guys, you can see. So your flame should be moderate, not very high or not very low. I'm gonna make a small dough between my hands. I'm using my a little force of hands for giving him round shape like this. Now I want to give this dough a saucer shape. I will dust up more. As you are watching, I'm using rolling pin to make my chapati round. So now our chapati is ready. I'm gonna make more shape between my hands, and then I am here. Now you are watching that the chapati is changing colors. It's become brown, light brown. So now I want to cook its other side. Now we can use make sure your cotton cloth should be on chapati, otherwise you can burn your hand. So I'm putting a little pressure on chapati. So guys, as you can see that our chapati is ready. I'm gonna serve in a plate. And that's it. So you can try this at home and you can enjoy it. So you can use this chapati with any curry, and with omelette, or with butter, with jam, anything else you can use it with them. So, and if you like my channel, so I request you to subscribe my channel, and we will meet in next video. Thank you.